Children, now you see the workbook part. That is time to answer our material heritage lesson number 10. Answer the following questions. First question is define material heritage. The things that can be seen. So we can see the things like Taj Mahal, like Khajuraho temples, and like the paintings, and this Golconda Fort, and touched. We can even touch also, and have special importance, are part of our material heritage. Example, monument, sculptures and paintings are some of our valuable heritage. So once again here, see children, the things that can be seen and touched and have special importance are part of our material heritage. Example is monuments, sculptures, paintings are some of our valuable heritage. Second question, which monument from India is considered as one of the 7 wonders of the world? Which monument, children? Yes, that is Taj Mahal from India is considered as the 7 wonders of the world. Okay. Now see the third question. Name the different painting styles in India. We know that there are 3 different painting styles. One is Madhubani painting, miniature painting and Tanjore painting. So the different painting styles in India are Madhubani painting, and that in that painting we have seen the peacocks. Next one is fishes. All these representing the fishes, representing, and the peacocks representing the love. Okay, like that. Next one is here miniature is a small sized painting, and Tanjore painting in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so here these are the 3 types of paintings. Name the largest church in Asia. Sumi Baptist Church of 21st century in Nagaland. Sumi Baptist Church of 21st century in Nagaland is the largest church in Asia. Okay. Children, now see the 5th question. Write a short note on Tanjore paintings. We know that we have 3 types of paintings in this lesson. Madhubani painting, miniature painting and Tanjore painting. Tanjore painting is from the state of Tamil Nadu. Which state, children? Tamil Nadu. This is done on a cloth stretched over a wooden plank. See, in the wooden plank the cloth is stretched. The painters use lemon paste to make the surface smooth and decorate it with precious stones, pearls, beaten gold leaf, sawdust and glue. These are the things that are used. So once again, see children, Tanjore painting is from the state of Tamil Nadu. This is done on a cloth stretched on a wooden plank. The painters use lemon paste to make the surface smooth and decorate it with precious stones, pearls, beaten gold leaf, sawdust and glue. Okay. Children, now see, fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. The clue kit is given down. Konark, Goa, physical, Humayun's tomb, miniature painting. So now we have 5 fill in the blanks, children. First one, material heritage includes all the historical things that dash exist. So here, what that is, children? Physical. Okay, so the answer is physical. So these are in physical forms, children. The material heritage includes all the historical things that physical exist. Second one, the dash temple is made in the form of a chariot. What is that, children? Konark. What is the answer? Konark. Konark temple is made in the form of a chariot. It is there in Odisha. Third one, dash is one of the most famous garden tombs in India. Which one, children? Humayun tombs. Humayun. Okay. Humayun's tomb. Humayun's tomb is one of the most famous garden tombs in India. Sikh Cathedral Church is in Goa. In which state, children? Goa. Say Cathedral Church is in Goa. The paintings that were made on palm leaves are called, the remaining left is miniature painting. What is that, children? Miniature painting. Okay, these paintings are made on palm leaves. So once again, see first one, material heritage includes all the historical things that physical exist. The Konark temple is made in the form of a chariot. The next one, Humayun's tomb is one of the most famous garden tombs in India. Say Cathedral Church is in Goa. The paintings that were made on palm leaves are called miniature paintings. Okay. Children, now see, write yes or no for the following statements. It comes under hard questions, higher order thinking questions. First one, Taj Mahal is located in Agra. What is the answer, children? Taj Mahal is located in Agra, yes or no? Yes. Taj Mahal is, here see, Taj Mahal is located in Agra. So the answer is yes. Mountain of Truth was a library, yes or no? Yes. Next one, Mysore Palace is situated in Karnataka. Yes. Humayun was the father of Emperor Akbar. Yes or no? Yes. Sanchi Stupa is a Buddhist monument. Yes or no? Yes. So here you have 5 yes or no. All answers are yes only. First one, Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Yes. Mountain of Truth was a library. Yes. Mysore Palace is situated in Karnataka. Yes. Humayun was the father of Emperor Akbar. Yes. Sanchi Stupa is a Buddhist monument. Yes. Okay. Yes, children. Match the following. See here, first one, Taj Mahal, second one, Nalanda University, third one, Konark Temple, fourth one, Humayun Tomb, fifth one, Jantar Mantar. Right side, A. Patna, B. Charbagh Gardens, C. Maharaj Jai Singh, and D. Odisha, E. World's Heritage Site. Now you have to match the left side with the right side. So first one, Taj Mahal, World's Heritage Site. E. Nalanda University, Patna. A. Konark Temple, yes children, Odisha. D. Humayun Tomb, Charbagh Gardens. B. Jantar Mantar, Maharaja Jai Singh. Maharaja Jai Singh. This is C. So Taj Mahal is World's Heritage Site. E. Nalanda University is Patna. A. Konark Temple is Odisha. D. Humayun Tomb is B. Charbagh Gardens. Jantar Mantar is C. Maharaja's Jai Singh. E, A, D, B, C. Okay. Children, now you see it's time to do the project work, page number 83. Here you have to collect the pictures of World Heritage Sites named by UNESCO. So UNESCO is an organization. So under UNESCO, so there are so many in the site of UNESCO. You can go and collect the pictures of World Heritage Sites and paste them in your scrapbook. Write a short note about them. So once again telling, so go to the UNESCO site, and if you'll go into the Google and if you type that World Heritage Sites named by UNESCO, you will be finding different heritage sites, and you have to pick up that pictures and paste them in a scrapbook, and at the same time you have to write about that okay, in a shortcut. And here see, write a short note about them. So this is the workbook part, children, end of the workbook part. That is our 10th lesson, our material heritage. Okay.